Hello! Let's review probability. Hey scholars, I'm not going to do a long lesson today because we've already done probability, but I just want to review that probability is the chance that an event will occur. The numerator is the number of favorable outcomes over the denominator, the number of possible outcomes. So let's say, for instance, I have this bag of marbles, and I would like to see what the probability is of randomly drawing blue. You would have the P for probability, and then you'd have blue in parentheses. Well, the number of favorable outcomes would be the number of blue marbles there are. There are 2. So I'd write a 2 as my numerator. Now, the number of possible outcomes is the total number of marbles in the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 would be the denominator. And you would say the probability of drawing a blue would be 2 out of 10 or 2/10. Please note, you do not have to reduce to lowest terms. You leave it as 2 out of 10. Now, let's move on and say, what is the probability of drawing a red or a black? In this situation, you have to figure out first the probability of drawing a red. There are 2 marbles, so it would also be 2 out of 10. And then you have to add the probability of drawing a black. There are 3 marbles that are black. So the probability of drawing a red or a black would be 5 out of 10 because you add the probability of drawing a red and the probability of drawing a black together. Again, you do not have to reduce to lowest terms, so you leave it as 5 out of 10 or 5/10. Now, let's move to this circle. You see that it has 3 parts. I want to talk to you about certain and impossible. If I ask the probability of drawing a red, a white, or a blue, you would have to write 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 3/3. When it equals 3/3, it's the same as 1 whole. 3/3 tells you that it is certain. If I ask the probability of you drawing a yellow or spinning a yellow, it would be impossible because there is no yellow. Therefore, we'd say 0 out of 3, which is impossible. Hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you enjoyed my unicorn, because you know I love unicorns.